So you want to mod and disassemble a Halo aftermarket headlight? Well, this is the right video for you, because we're gonna do just that. What is up, guys? I work at YouTube Wrenchettes. We don't know working this beautiful G35, but life as well. Now today we're gonna take apart this headlight, because this is the headlight that my G came with. Now, if I would have got the G stock, I probably would have bought the Halo because I love the look of the Halo. So what I did was I got the loaners so I could take these upstairs and mod them, because I said, well, if I'm gonna keep them, I'm gonna make them my own, and I'm gonna do some custom coloring on it. And that's exactly what we're gonna do today. These have actual screws that you have to take out. Now you might not see them, but they're actually like hidden, like right here. There's one here. There is another one here. There's one here. And I think that's all three. And then on the inside, you have one ground that you need to take off that has a screw on it. And then you can actually take apart the actual frame. First, we're gonna put this in the oven in 265 degrees for 10 minutes, and then we should be able to break this apart. But first, we're gonna take off the screws to prepare for that. So those are the three from the outside. Now let's put this headlight in the oven. But first, I'm gonna preheat the oven. Okay, so I just heard the beep. So we're gonna take this headlight, put it just as is with everything on it. So we're gonna take it, just drop it in there like that. So as soon as you get it, the first thing you do is try to take out the clips that are right here. You could do it either like with a flathead screwdriver, or just try to push it with your hand. So once it's open like this, you could breathe, you could take your time. So the only screw left is the ground, and the ground is right here on this side. And after that, all you have to do is just unclip the halos, like that, and just like that. Then you have this wire connecting the LEDs. There's one, and there's one hidden behind here. You can just pull it out. You push this clip down and push, and that's it. Both parts are apart now. So this is what the inside look like from my Halo. You have your Halo connectors here. You have your projector. You have the connector right there. You have your high beams. You got your ground. And that's basically it. And from this side, you have your halos. And you have your circuitry that connects this and the strip right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this strip off, since two of the LEDs are blown, and I'm gonna take it from my parts one, and I'm gonna just put this here back, the whole entire setup. If you want to separate that black housing from this housing, you just have to literally take off that bolt right there, and I think that's about it. It comes apart. It has a nice matte or like satin finish. If you want to connect this back to your design, or you fix or whatever you want to fix, you know, you want to put like your Demon 9 or whatever it is, you put it back in the reverse order.